For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at a news-based play. We are going to once again look to fade the news using Trade the News. So this is brought to you by TradeTheNews.com. TradeTheNews.com is the news service that I use for my own trading and for these takeover chatter alerts. It is one of the best sources you're ever going to find for timely information that you can actually act upon. So let's see what the alert looked like. Here it is, QIHU. We've got takeover chatter circulating. The speculation is that Baba might be looking at this one. And here's what we have. We get this alert. Let's take a look at our chart. We talked about this one live in the trading room. Here it is, QIHU. This was a trade that we actually took live, and everybody saw exactly how we were going to put this one on. We had, first off, an opportunity to go short right after this 6:45 bar here. So 6:40 a.m. Pacific time we get the news. Of course, that's 9:40 market time, and the stock is still spiking. What we're looking for is a reversal move in just about every instance with these news-based trades. And once we see the reversal in place, the first place I'd be looking for a move lower is right down through this level, this 61.46 level. But since we've got that pivot line down there, I'm going to go ahead and say we're just going to have a stop up above that, 61.55. An entry right below the pivot line, about $61.29. And then our target is going to be, first of all, right down on top of this bar here, which is going to represent the first area that we expect to see some support. And then progressively, you just ratchet down into the opens, the closes, until you get down into the low of what was going on over here. Now, what you saw happen was we had the pop down through the bar. We had this nice move lower, right? Almost gets all the way down to that target. I know some of you were pairing that off there. 60.77, that's not a hard target. You're going to use either something between 60.72 probably and 60.85. But one way or another, you've got a very decent gain depending on the number of shares you're trading here. Comes back up again, gives you another entry opportunity. You got another chance to get into this one. If you didn't do it the first time around, then the second time around, you see this weakness doesn't even get back up to the level of the stop. Comes back down, and boy howdy, gets right down to that 60.53 level, dips just a little bit below, and then rides sideways before moving back up a little bit later. That's how I trade them. I'm looking for the news to break on Trade the News, and then as soon as that news is in place, I start watching the chart, and I try to find an inflection that happens at a pivot line of some sort. So either the central pivot, first support, first resistance, second support, second resistance. Those are the areas that I'm looking to fade from. These are almost always good trades. I love them. You see me doing them in the room with Rick and the guys every single day. Next time I'm talking about a news-based fade, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.